there! Did you know that 70% of restaurants close their doors within 3 to 5 years of opening? That's a pretty harsh number. Our goal at Lavu is to help restaurants avoid this fate and find success. The number of people eating out is actually increasing day by day. Busy people like to avoid time-consuming tasks like cooking and cleaning, so why do so many restaurants fail? We found that a number of new venues simply don't manage to keep track of the business basics. Running a restaurant takes multitasking skills. You've got to manage everything from staffing to table management to inventory and accounting. It might feel like paying attention to everything is impossible, but it's not. You can succeed, and we've composed a list to help you. Read our blog to learn about the top 15 reasons restaurants fail and secure your future by avoiding these pitfalls. Before you go, hit that thumbs up sign to like our video, then follow the link.